Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, and then you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above the 305 mark. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 305, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, in the event the price could stay up above that 305 mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more of a bigger picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, if you're saying, Clay, look, how do I get, just tell me how to gauge the strength of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Watch that purple line. As that purple line moves higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health. The price movement's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, preferably stay above 305, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart as it stands right now. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the majority of the sellers seem to be hanging right up around $3.30. Yeah, I realize the price did technically get up above it, but as far as the overall kind of price congestion point, that's what I'm going to consider the level of resistance going forward. But like I said earlier, any way you slice it, very, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.